Hello everyone, this is Dexter and welcome to another video. Today, we are going to have a quick tour inside the Emirates Business Class Lounge in Dubai. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. In my previous video, I shared with you the perks of flying business class in Emirates. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do so. You can check the link in the description box below. Before going to the lounge tour, here are some clips of my Emirates business class flight from London to Dubai aboard the 380 aircraft. Going back, I just spent 2 days in Dubai and I am on my way to the Dubai International Airport to catch my flight to Newcastle. I just checked in and went through immigration. To enter the lounge, you only need to present your boarding pass and passport in the Skywards desk. Upon entering, you will see this very spacious lounge area. This shows you the rooms and amenities that are available here. Before going around, I got myself a cup of cappuccino from Costa Coffee. This is a business center. It is an open workspace where you can use the available desktops and printers. If you feel and look tired and you want to freshen up, you can take a shower here. Don't worry if you came empty-handed. They are equipped with toiletries like soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, shaver, and shaving cream. They also provide towels for you to use. If you still have time to kill, you can sit in these lounge chairs. Let's go to the room where I really enjoyed spending my time, the children's playroom. If your flight is still hours away, you may want to indulge in different types of food available in the lounge. And for people with a sweet tooth like me, you can enjoy different types of desserts. Or you can also chill with a glass of champagne in your hand in the champagne lounge. For those who want to smoke, a dedicated smoking lounge is available for you. You can also have your shoes shined here. As for me, I didn't have enough sleep before going to the airport, so I stayed in the quiet lounge until my flight. And this marks the end of our video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, bye!